Welcome to Yogyakarta, a city full of history and culture. In this video, we will see the beauty of Tugu Jogja from a different perspective from the sky. Tugu Jogja, an icon that has stood strong for more than 3 centuries, is now visible even more beautiful and stunning from the air in 2024. From a height, we can see how Tugu Jogja remains the center of attention of the city. In the midst of the hustle and bustle of modernization, this monument is still a symbol that unites Jogja with its history and specialties. With its classic architectural design and distinctive atmosphere, Tugu Jogja is not only a city marker, but also a silent witness to the nation's history. And from this broad view, we can see how Jogja continues to grow as a modern city, without losing its cultural identity. Tugu Jogja seems to be the center that connects the past, present, and future. If we look closely, the peak of Tugu Jogja has a deep meaning for the people of Yogyakarta. This monument was built as a symbol of unity between the king and his people, which is manifested in its architectural form and philosophy. Every part of this monument has a meaning, from the top to the foot of the monument, which symbolizes the relationship between the universe, humans, and God. Tugu Jogja is not just an old building, but also a gathering place and taking photos for tourists and local people. Here, people from various backgrounds gather, share stories, and immortalize moments with this icon of Yogyakarta's pride. For many people, going to Jogja feels incomplete without taking the time to visit and take photos at Tugu. Seeing Tugu Jogja from the air like this reminds us that Jogja is a city that has deep meaning. On the one hand, it maintains its traditions and culture, but on the other hand, it does not reject the progress that is slowly embracing it. Year after year, Tugu Jogja bears witness mute the passage of time, always there and faithfully welcoming everyone who comes. That is the beauty of Tugu Jogja that we present from a different perspective in 2024. Thank you for watching this journey from the sky. We hope this video can bring a moment of calm and nostalgia for you, and remind us how much this city icon means. Don't forget to keep following us in the next videos to see other interesting corners of Jogja. See you again on your next trip.